India's white ball captains Harmanpreet Kaur and Mithila Raj, along with their double deputy Smriti Mandhana, have been named captains for the Supernovas, Trailblazers and Velocity squads respectively for the 2020 edition of IPL Women's T20 Challenge. BCCI announced the full schedule and complete squads with the 3-round robin games to be played on November 4th, 5th and 7th, while the final will be played on November 9th. The venues for the T20 matches are yet to be announced, while all the matches will begin at 7:30 p.m. the same time as the evening games of the IPL do. All three senior players led the teams during the last edition also, and their appointments were on the expected lines. The most notable inclusion was Thailand's Nathakan Chantam, who is the first from her nation to get a maiden call-up in the mini-league. Chantam scored her country's first Women's T20 World Cup half-century in Australia earlier this year. The T20 Challenge to be played during the IPL playoffs will begin with the last year's finalists Supernovas taking on Velocity in the opening game. The best of India's women's cricket will combine with some of the leading stars from England, South Africa, Sri Lanka, West Indies, Bangladesh and New Zealand in a 4-match tournament, BCCI Secretary Jay Shah was quoted in a media release. Each team has 4 overseas players each. Amid the raging COVID-19 pandemic, there were question marks over the event with no selection committee in place till 10 days back. However, the BCCI President Sourav Ganguly was always confident about holding the event, and once Neetu David led the selection committee was appointed, the decks got cleared. The other issue was the dates of the tournament clashed with the Women's Big Bash League WBBL, which starts later this month. None of the top players from Australia and also the star attraction from England and New Zealand aren't available this time round. In fact, BCCI's move to have the T20 Challenge in October invited criticism from star keeper opener Lisa Haley, who didn't hide her disappointment on social media. The top foreign stars to participate in the tournament include batswoman Dandra Doughton of the West Indies, England's left-arm spinner Sophie Ecclestone and her teammate Daniel Watt. From Sri Lanka, there is Chamari Athapattu, Shashikala Sriwardene, South Africa's Ayabonga Khaka and Bangladesh's Jahanara Alam Salma Khatun with bolster the various teams. The other foreign players are Shakira Saliman of West Indies, Suni Lu of South Africa and White Ferns only representative Lee Kasparik. 30-odd Indian players due to take part in the 3-team competition have already been asked to assemble in Mumbai by October 13th. The players will then quarantine for more than a week and they will be tested multiple times in that period. The players are likely to depart for UAE on October 22nd, after which they will undergo a 6-day quarantine like all other players competing in the men's IPL. They will enter the event's bio bubble after 3 negative RT-PCR tests. The venue of the event has not been announced yet, but it is likely to be held in Sharjah. Speaking about the squads, Supernovas will include Harmanpreet Kaur, Jemia Rodriguez, Chamari Athapattu, Priya Punya, Anuja Patel, Radha Yadav, Tanya Bhatia, Shashikala Sriwardene, Poonam Yadav, Shakira Saliman, Arundhati Reddy, Pooja Vastrakar, Ayushi Soni, Ayabonga Khaka and Muskan Malik. Whereas Trailblazers will include Smriti Mandhana, Deepti Sharma, Poonam Roth, Richa Ghosh, D. Hemalata, Nuzhat Parveen, Rajeshwari Gaikwad, Harleen Diol, Julian Goswami, Simran Dil Bahadur, Salma Khatun, Sophie Ecclestone, Nathakan Chantam, Dandra Doughton and Kashi Gautam. And the Velocity squad will include Mithila Raj, Veda Krishnamurthy, Shifali Verma, Sushma Verma, Ekta Bisht, Mansi Joshi, Shikha Pandey, Devika Vidya, Tushri Dibya Darshini, Manali Dakshini, Lee Kasparik, Daniel Watt, Sun Lu, Jahanara Alam and M. Anaga.